Hello students, so in this video I will show you how you can upload your homework in Google Classroom. So first of all, you have to open the Google Classroom application on your mobile phone. You just click on Classroom. So when the Classroom application open, so you have to log in with your school account. So please take care of this thing. If you are not logged in with the proper ID, so it won't take you to the specific class. So just make sure you log in with your school account. So just click on the button get started. When I click, so it will show me the different accounts, but these two accounts are of Gmail, so they are not linked to my school accounts. What I will do, I will click on the add account. Now I want to add my school account because I want to log in into my Google Classroom from my school ID. So just click on add account. If you are already added, so it will show you here. Okay, so I haven't added right now, so I will just click on add account. So just select the add account and press OK. So now it will take you to another page and it will ask for your school email ID. So just enter your school email ID, click next, enter the password. Once you enter the password, it will take you to your Google Classroom club. Just tap agree. Just wait for some time. It will take some time for the first time. Now I have entered into my Google Classroom. As you can see, these are the two classes. Just have a look on this page. I have my two classes on which I am enrolled. I am enrolled in mathematics class and I am enrolled in another class of computers. So these are the two classes. Another thing you can see that math class is handled by Muhammad Saad sir and computer class is handled by Kumar Pranav sir. Now how you can upload, suppose any homework is given in mathematics, so just click on the class, mathematics class. It will take you to the mathematics class. So all these things are happening here. So I will show you how you can upload the homework basically. So as you can see in the bottom, there are three icons. In the bottom, just concentrate on these three icons. So the first icon is of stream, second is of classwork, and the third is of pupil. So just click on the classwork. So now you can see I have entered into my classwork. Now I have to upload my homework. Before uploading, just concentrate on these icons. There are two different colors. One is of dark color and another is of light color. The light color means that some homework I have already uploaded before, and the dark color means that I have still not uploaded this homework. Okay. One more thing you can see here, the date of the assignments or date of the homework you have to upload. So it is due today, means ये आपको आज submit करना है, that this homework you have to upload today. And these are all the previous work which the deadline has already passed. So just take care of the dates. So now I have to upload this homework. Math Notes 20th November, which is due today. I will click here. So it will open like this. So these are some links. If you click on this link, it will take you the material that your teacher has already sent it to you. So you can complete the previous notes also. Now you have to click on this arrow. If you can see this small arrow, upward arrow, just click on this arrow. It will show you two options: add attachment, mark as done. So currently I haven't uploaded any homework as of now. So I will click on add attachment because I want to attach the photos of my homework. So I will click on add attachment. As soon as you click on your add attachment, so these options will pop up. So I will choose to take the photos. I will use the camera application to take the images of my math notes. As I click here, it will open up the camera and I can take the photo of my classwork. So just click on the camera button and capture the image. So take a proper image. The lighting should be proper. Once you've taken the image, just click on this button and submit. It will take time sometimes, so be patient. Don't be in a hurry because sometimes the internet connectivity is low. So just wait for some time. So once the image is attached, so suppose I want to take multiple images, so I have to click on add attachment. So again you have to take the photo. Just click on take photo. So take the second image of the paper. For example, this is my second sheet. I have to take the image, capture the picture, upload it. So you can select multiple images at a time. So once all the images are uploaded, now you have to click on this hand in. Okay, so don't forget this step. If you don't click this hand in button, your classwork will not reach to your teacher. So after you have done, I will click on the hand in button. So it will ask me to submit. So just click on submit button. So my homework is now being sent. So if you look, if I go back and if I show you, now all the icons are in light same color. This means all the work I have submitted to my teacher. For example, if you want to delete any notes, sometime happen a teacher asks that you have sent the wrong image, so you have to remove that image and upload another. So you have to again go to that notes, go to your work, click on that up arrow again and click on unsubmit, because I have sent these images as these are the wrong images. So just click on unsubmit. Now you can remove the previous images. For example, this image which I have taken, the second image, is of wrong notes. So just click on that cross button, if you can see the small cross button. So it will ask you to remove the attachment. Just click on remove. So the attachment is removed now. Now I will upload the next image, the proper image. So I will upload the another image, and again I have to click on hand in. Again I have to click on hand in. As soon as you submit or resubmit, if you are sending it again, it will ask you to resubmit. So your homework will be submitted to the teacher. Now the next step, how you can see your previous grades. If you want to see that your notes are graded, so all you need to do, you have to click on this icon. Just click on this icon. So you can see all the previous work that you got 10 out of 10 here, 10 out of 10 here, 10 out of 10 here. These are the grades, and you can see this homework is handed in. So this homework is not currently checked because it is showing handed in. If you can see, it is showing handed in. So if it is checked by the teachers, you will get the grades here or the marks. I hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel. Keep watching Saath Classes.